Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the blue Kirby token. Now this Kirby here is blue because it is on the Fantom blockchain. You can find it on Fantom Scan. Name of the token is Blue Kirby. Ticker symbol is Kirby. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 29th, on a very big crypto exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Blue Kirby token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Fantom's mascot, nemesis, Blue Kirby. So it says, yes, I am the Fantom of Fantoms. Get it? Because Kirby is like a ghost. I never put that together, that Kirby was a ghost. I always thought Kirby was just like a big ball of air and like it looked like bubble gum or something. I used to have that game for a Game Boy. That's how old I am. Yes, I am the Fantom of Fantom. I was your hero in the past. I am a ghost to you now. It's time to make things right with the right surroundings and people, a new generation of cryptocurrency believers. Is Kirby a ghost, or are they just saying that Kirby is a ghost? Leave a comment down below. I don't want to Google it, so it's too much work to Google. It says, let's flip Fantom. Let's flip Yearn Finance. Let's show Andre Conje real decentralization. The Blue Kirby is what helped Andre's other protocol, Yearn Finance, reach $1 billion. It is here to help Fantom become a leader again. Liquidity comes from the top down. We will change the game and make it from the bottom up. Just a simple, humble character. That's what the Blue Kirby symbolizes. A character that wants to expand, and that's what Kirby does. Like peas, we yearn for the day that we can just escape the shell like phantoms. That's a quote from somebody. So it says here, one Kirby will hopefully reach one Fantom and Kirby to $1. $1. So it says this is our motto. This is our vision. So it says the crypto community is an unforgiving one. It's completely understood. That's what why we've done it different than everyone else. We were set up to market a new DeFi contract that was exploited. Interesting. So they looks like they tried to do a project before something happened. It says, taking the heat for helping a project reach 1 billion market cap. Is that even fair? Selling when I decided to isn't crypto decentralization. How come someone can't control their own funds without getting scorned for it? If it's to buy or to sell. Maybe they're just making a statement here. But they have a Medium article here that talks about Blue Kirby. You can find that at medium.com at Blue Kirby Fantom. I'm skipping over a bunch of parts because it's a very lengthy article. I just want to get to the important parts here. So it says the mysterious project was left abandoned and idle and was supposed to have a narrative against the blue, or rather the off blue, bringing down Fantom, Yearn, and Conje. Why such hate? Why such anger? This was the wrong move by us that was never made. Okay, so anyways, they have the Ether scan on here that you could check out of off blue. So this is a Ether scan project here. It says 2 holders, 1 million max total supply, 18 decimal places. You could find it on Ether scan. Yeah, it says they did something 1,172 days ago. So this is probably the project they were talking about that got messed up. They tried before and now they're back with Blue Kirby, I guess they're saying. So it took a long 12 years, or in crypto years, 3 years. Blue Kirby is not just the mascot of Fantom and Yearn, it's a testament to Andre. It symbolizes the blue color that Fantom brand has built with itself. The only thing that is missing is its pure decentralization, and that's what we will all achieve here. So Blue Kirby will have its liquidity built, contain no taxes, contract will be renounced. So finally they're getting to some info here. Let's send this to $1 billion, revive the legacy of Fantom, and show the suits that we control our destiny. Blue Kirby, rise up, your time has come. Take a stand. You are a dev now. You are a creator. Blue Kirby, ticker symbol Kirby. And then it says their webpage, bluekirby.io. Their Twitter, you can find right here at bluekirbyftm. And then they have their Telegram at bluekirbyftm. It says V2 website will be releasing soon. The next update will be extremely revealing and enchanting. So that's their Medium article there. But they do have some different articles. One of them is talking about NFTs. So the Blue Kirby NFT mint. So they do have some NFTs you can go over. And then the other ones, one of them is just talking about the token again. But this one right here is announcing their new central exchange listing on Lbank. So this is where you can get this token as of today. December 29th, 14 hours UTC time, this token got listed on Lbank. So if you're looking to get the Blue Kirby token, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on Lbank, go into the trade section and search Kirby, and then simply just buy the token. They already have 6,432 holders, so they're doing very well according to their Fantom scan. 18 decimal places, and there is a max total supply of 3,175,000,000 Kirby tokens. So if you go to their webpage, bluekirby.io, you can find a DEX Tools chart, contract address, the Fantom scan, Twitter, Telegram. It says the mascot of Fantom. Read the legend of Blue Kirby down below. We pretty much went over that already. But it says liquidity is locked for 12 years, no dev tokens, contract renounced, pure decentralization, zero tax. And yeah, so if you click on the DEX Tools chart, let's see if that even works here. There it is. Okay, so it says their market cap is $3.59 million. They have $204,000 in, it says partially locked liquidity. It looks like at least 75% of the tokens are locked, according to this little lock here. 74.54% of the tokens are locked. So even though they say, you know, full decentralization, it's not fully locked, 100% of the tokens, just 74%. 24-hour trading volume, $300,000. Now, they do have, this token is available off of Spooky Swap. If you want to get it in a decentralized way, you could fund your Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet with Fantom, go into the dApps, find Spooky Swap, trade your Fantom for the Kirby token using the contract address. Probably won't have to worry too much about slippage. It says 0% tax. Now, they do have one alert on their quick audits. So there's a token sniffer, Go Plus, and Quick Intel audit on DEX Tools, and Quick Intel just says other risks. So, you know, thoroughly review this token before even thinking about getting it, obviously, because of warnings and things like that. You can get it off Spooky Swap, or you can get it as of today off of Lbank, brand new listing. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Blue Kirby? Do you think this is the mascot of Fantom? Are you on board with that? Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.